Now we are going to do a nice meditation, a very simple meditation, but be very realistic with yourself. And see how much you can change yourself. See, there are esoteric informations here, but I didn't see it necessary to talk about it. Now, we are going to say the great invocation. According to the legend, Master Tibetan says that today, Gemini full moon, Christ gathers all assembly around himself. And he repeats the third stanza of great invocation from the second stanza. From the point of love, within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. Now I was imagining 1 hour before, you see, that how beautiful it is. If we have eyes to see and hear his voice and see what influence he is having on the masters and how these energies are accumulating in their chalices to be poured upon humanity. So this visualization and this imagination gives us a great upliftment and inspiration. And we are going to do the same thing, as if we are the assembly and Christ is coming to us and saying this great invocation. Now we start with great invocation. Very solemn and very slowly with concentration. First close your eyes and imagine Christ among you. Within each of you, there is a Christ. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of men. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. Again, from the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. Now imagine the world, the globe in the air. Imagine the world in the air. And say these words again, visualizing that the love is penetrating every heart that is found on this globe. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. If you hate somebody, if somebody hurt you very badly, visualize Christ sitting in his or in her heart. 3 people choose and visualize like that. Say, may Christ return to your heart. From the center where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of men, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the center, which we call the race of men, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore the plan on earth. Visualize as you sing the great ones in the assembly of Christ. From the windows, look at them and say, salutations to great ones.
Salutations to great ones.
Salutations to their devoted disciples.
Salutations to their devoted disciples.
May light and love and power
May light and love and power
strengthen their works.
strengthen their works.
Now we are entering into meditation. Goodwill among all nations. What will happen if all nations are filled with goodwill? Think about how beautiful it will be when all nations are filled with goodwill. And what change will come to the world? Take your time and think about it. What changes will come to earth? How much money and life will be saved? how great opportunities will come to us, to everybody. Now we stand up and hold each other's hand. The sons of man are one.
The sons of men are one.
And I am one with them.
And I am one with them.
I seek to love, not hate.
I seek to love, not hate.
I seek to serve and not exact due service.
I seek to serve and not exact due service.
I seek to heal, not hurt.
I seek to heal, not hurt.
Let vision come and insight.
Let vision come and insight.
Let the future stand revealed.
Let the future stand revealed.
Let inner union demonstrate.
Let inner union demonstrate.
Outer cleavages be gone.
Outer cleavages be gone.
Let love prevail.
Let love prevail.
Let all men love.
Let all men love.
Let love prevail.
Let love prevail.
And unite all humanity.
And unite all humanity.
Lord, let your love heal us.
Lord, let your love heal us.
Lord, let your love transform us.
Lord, let your love transform us.
Lord, let your love enlighten us.
Lord, let your love enlighten us.
Lord, let your love strengthen us.
Lord, let your love strengthen us.
Let light
Let light
and love
and love
and power
and power
restore the plan on earth.
restore the plan on earth.
God bless you.